Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, good evening, my dear children. How are you?
Good evening,
Fine,
ma'am.
thank you,
Fine, ma'am.
How are you,
Okay.
ma'am?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine.
Good evening,
Very few students are joined so far. Just 25 students. What happened to the remaining?
ma'am.
The children, please turn on your camera. Josein, Badra, Sunil, Inovin, Nevin. Jayakrishnan, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. How was your test?
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, good evening. Okay.
Good
So in
evening,
the last
ma'am.
class we discussed about
latitude and longitude.
Yeah, we discussed about globe. Globe is the miniature model of the Earth.
And the distance.
Then we discussed about what are the advantages and the disadvantages of the globe. And Leah Maria, sit properly in the class. Okay. So in the last class, we had discussed about globe. Globe is the small model of the Earth. Globes are very useful to us because we can locate different places with the help of the globe. Then we can know the exact size and shape of the continents. We can know about the other places with the help of the globe. So globes are very useful for us. Then we discussed about
Ma'am,
what are the advantages and disadvantages of globe. Shahad Nabil, can you tell me what are the advantages of globe? Shahad? Romel Soni?
Ma'am, can I Natal, please?
Please tell me what are the
Ma'am, can I na?
advantages? Yes, Amna, you can.
Ma'am, a globe is a true model of the earth that show the earth's shape, lands, oceans, distance, and directions as
Okay.
related to one another truly.
Okay. Then?
Then the globes are of varying size and type, and a globe can be rotated in the same way as a top spin.
These are the advantages of the globe, Amna?
A globe is difficult to carry around.
Yeah.
Only part.
Advantages of the globe. It shows the exact
Ma'am, we
shape of
can
the
only see
earth.
one part.
It helps us to
Yes,
It is very
understand
difficult.
about the rotation revolution of the earth. It
Ma'am,
gives
we
an
can
idea
only
about the
see
tilt of the
first
earth
one
axis.
part.
Tilt on the
Again,
x-axis.
it shows the exact position and areas of the continents and the oceans. So these are the advantages of the globe. Then we discussed about what are the disadvantages of the globe. It is difficult to carry everywhere.
Only a part of globe can be seen.
Yes, only a part of the globe can be seen.
Only part of the
We
globe
cannot
at
see
a
the
time.
other part.
Yes,
We
it
should
cannot be
rotate it.
used to study a specific
We
part
should,
of the earth,
and we should
and it does
see the
not
other
show
cities,
towns, cities,
cities,
districts, roads, railways, etc. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about another important imaginary line which is running through the center of the earth, that is equator. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about an imaginary line which is passing through the center of the earth, that is equator. Equator. It is the line which passes through the center of the earth. So we know that equator. Equator is an imaginary latitude. It is an imaginary latitude and it is passing through the center of the earth. And it is passing through the center of the earth. It divides the earth into two equal parts. So it divides. So equator is the longest line of latitude and it is passing through the center of the earth and it divides the earth into two equal parts. What are they?
Ma'am, northern hemisphere and southern
Should we write this?
Northern hemisphere and southern
Southern
hemisphere.
Ma'am, should we write this?
Yes. Equator. So equator is the longest.
Ma'am, should we write this?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Longest line of latitude. It is the longest line of latitude. It is the longest line of latitude, and it divides the earth into two equal parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. The northern half of the earth is known as northern hemisphere, and the southern half of the earth is known as southern hemisphere. All of you look at the diagram. Equator, it is passing through the center of the earth, and it divides the earth into two equal parts. Northern hemisphere and
Southern hemisphere.
southern hemisphere. Okay. Northern half of the earth is known as northern hemisphere, and southern half of the earth is known as southern hemisphere. That means from equator to the north is known as northern hemisphere, and from equator to the south is known as
Southern hemisphere.
southern hemisphere.
And the upper part is northern hemisphere and the downer part is
Yes.
southern hemisphere.
Okay, that means the equator divide the earth into two parts or two halves. Above part. Okay.
Equator in
The northern half of the earth is known as northern hemisphere, and southern half of the earth is known as southern hemisphere. Children, can you tell me in which hemisphere does India lie?
Ma'am, it's in the it's in the northern, ma'am. It's in the northern.
Children, can you tell me in which hemisphere does India lie?
Ma'am, northern hemisphere.
Northern hemisphere. Then what about Australia?
Southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere. Helen Tito, what about Europe?
Ma'am, northern hemisphere.
Northern hemisphere. Okay, then what about Africa? Jalin Elizabeth?
Ma'am, northern.
Africa.
Southern.
Ma'am,
What about Antarctica?
Southern.
See, Africa. Why? Because Africa lies in the both hemisphere. Why? Because equator is passing through Africa. Equator is passing through Africa. So half portion of Africa in the northern hemisphere, and half portion of Africa lies in the southern hemisphere. Okay. Okay, dear children, please look at the page number 15 or not 15.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, look at the page number 31 in your textbook. Look at the page number 31.
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
Then you find out where is Africa.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next you have to find out where is the equator.
Ma'am, equator, ma'am.
Then you will understand that yes, the equator is passing through Africa. So half portion of Africa lies in the northern hemisphere, and the other portion lies in the
Southern hemisphere.
southern hemisphere. Okay, let me continue. Okay, it is the longest latitude. It is the longest latitude. So longest latitude is known as
Equator.
Okay. Ridul Biju, which is the longest latitude? Ridul Biju? Ridul Biju, which is the longest latitude?
Equator.
Equator. Okay. Equator divide the earth into dash parts. And
Two
Leah?
parts.
And
Two
Leah?
parts.
Two parts. What are
Two
they?
parts.
Irene Dennis?
Ma'am, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere.
Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere.
Okay.
Two equal parts.
Okay, all of you look at the diagram. You can see the equator. Equator is passing through the center of the earth, and it divide the earth into two equal parts. Northern
Like a diameter.
Hemisphere and
northern hemisphere
and southern hemisphere.
and southern
Southern hemisphere.
hemisphere. If you look at the diagram, you can see two continents here.
Only little part is there in the northern
One
hemisphere.
is North America and the down one is South America.
Southern hemisphere.
Okay, so North America lies in the northern hemisphere and South America lies in the
Southern
southern
Ma'am, but in
hemisphere.
the southern hemisphere,
Okay, southern.
little South America is in the North America.
Okay, okay.
Can you show the previous slide?
Wait. Now we are going to discuss about latitudes.
I will.
Let us discuss what are the features of latitudes.
Are known as parallel.
Latitudes are also known as parallels. Latitudes are also known as parallels.
Parallel.
Latitudes are also known as parallels. And it run in an east-west direction. Okay. We know that latitudes are the imaginary horizontal lines. Latitudes are the imaginary horizontal lines. It is also known as parallels. They never meet each other. If you look at the diagram, you can understand that they never meet. Each other. That's why they are known as parallels. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, we study in the
South,
never meet
west,
together in
and
the same.
east. So there are 4 directions: north, south, west, and east. If you look at the diagram, you can understand that these lines are running from west to east direction. Yes or no?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
they are running from west to east direction. Then they never meet each other. And
that we studied in maths class.
Okay. And these latitudes are also known as parallels. So these are the horizontal lines. These are the horizontal lines. All parallel to one another and never meet. So these are the parallel lines and they never meet each other. Get shorter towards the pole, with only the equator the longest a great circle. So equator is also known as great circle. Equator is also known as
Great circle.
great circle.
Great circle.
Equator is also known as great circle. So this is the equator now. Equator is also known as great circle because it is the longest latitude. That's why it is known as great circle. There are 180 latitudes. There are
180
latitudes. There are 180 latitudes. Okay. Then which is the degree of equator?
0 degree.
0 degree latitude is known as equator. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So there are 180 latitude, which means from 0 degree to North Pole. Here North Pole is there now. From
Yes.
0 degree to North Pole, there are 90 latitudes. Then from 0 to the south pole, there are 90
Ma'am,
latitudes.
360 latitude.
90 plus 90.
360 latitude.
What is the answer?
180.
180. There are
180.
180. So there are 180
Latitude.
latitudes.
Latitudes.
Okay.
And northern 90 latitudes and southern 90 latitudes,
yes.
like that way it is.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait. Okay. So there are 180 latitudes. From equator to the north pole, there are 90. Then from equator to the south pole, there are 90. So 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. So there are 180 lines of latitude. Then equator is marked with a degree. Okay. The equator represent 0 degree. Equator represent 0 degree.
0 degree.
Okay.
0.
All parallels north of the equator is known as north latitude.
Here.
North. All of you mute your mic. North latitude. Okay. All parallels north of the equator are known as north latitude.
North
Then what
latitude.
about south latitude?
Ma'am, similarly, all parallels south of the equator are
All
called
parallel south of the equator are known as south
South
latitude. Okay.
latitudes.
Now then, okay. Then next latitude. What is the degree of this latitude?
Ma'am,
Equator. The degree of equator is 0 degree.
Zero
What
Zero
is this?
degree.
ma'am.
1 degree S.
Ma'am, what is the S,
1
ma'am?
degree S. S means in which hemisphere does it lie? Whether it
Ma'am,
lies in the
south.
north
South.
or south.
ma'am, south. North.
Zero degree. 0 degree latitude is known as equator. Yes or no?
Equator.
I said that there are 90 latitudes in the northern
Latitudes
hemisphere and there are
in the
90
northern
latitudes in the
Southern hemisphere.
Southern hemisphere.
Then what about the degree of this line?
1 degree.
1
Ma'am,
degree.
1 degree. 1 degree is southern hemisphere.
1 degree south. This is
Southern
north and this
hemisphere.
one is south. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Not W. Wait. Okay.
Ma'am, how it will become 1 degree?
That means from 0 degree to the south
1
pole, there are 90
90
latitudes.
degree.
90
90
latitudes.
latitudes.
Like that, there are how many are there?
Ma'am,
There are 90.
ma'am, 90.
Ma'am, the earth is so big, so it is.
Yes,
It has
yes.
all
But
totally
remember
180.
children, but remember, these are the imaginary line. Imaginary line,
Ma'am,
okay?
it is not real.
That is not, yes, it is not real. So first line, 1
Ma'am,
degree
so
south.
why it is
Next
like
line,
that?
2 degree
1
south.
degree.
Next
2
line,
degree.
3 degree
And
south.
3 degree.
4 degree
4
south. Then what
degree.
about in the
5
north
degree.
latitude?
Ma'am, 1 degree north.
1 degree north. 2 degree north.
Ma'am,
3 degree
North.
north.
3 degree
Then
north.
here
4
90
degree and
degree
Ma'am, it goes till
north.
90 degree.
Here 90 degree
go to
south.
90 degree.
Understand? So there are 180
Degree.
80
Ma'am, 180 latitudes.
180 latitudes. The
Latitude.
value of each latitude is followed by either the word south or
North.
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 So it represents with the letter S and with the letter
And N.
N.
N. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show the slide of equator?
Yes. Wait. It gets shorter. It gets shorter towards the pole. It gets shorter. That means the diameter is decreasing when it moves towards the pole. You see the length of the line. Is it increasing or decreasing?
Ma'am, it's decreasing.
Yes, when it moves to the polar areas, when it moves to the poles, the length of the line is decreasing. So decrease in diameter from the equator towards the pole. The diameter decreasing from the equator towards the pole. So which is the longest line of latitude? Equator. Devananda. What is the other name of equator? What's the other name of equator?
Yes, ma'am.
Parallel.
Others keep quiet. What is the other name of equator?
Ma'am, parallel line. Ma'am, parallel line.
Equator. What's the other name of equator? Equator.
And parallel is the other name of the latitude.
Latitude, yes. Where is Jayakrishnan? He's not here. Sachin? Sachin, unmute. What are you doing? Ishal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what's the other name of equator? Bilsa?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the other name of equator?
Parallels of.
It is also known as Great Circle. Yes, it is also known as Great Circle because it is the longest line of latitude. It is the longest line of latitude, so it is known as Great Circle. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Not.
Wait. Now we are going to discuss what are the important latitudes.
Ma'am, can you show the slide equator?
Yes. I'll show you. Wait. Important parallels of latitudes. So beside equator, there are many other
Lines.
major latitudes.
Latitudes.
If you look at the diagram, you can understand that
Ma'am.
equator. Or you can understand what are the other major lines of latitudes. They are Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and Antarctic
Capricorn
Circle.
and Antarctic Circle.
Antarctic Circle.
Antarctic Circle.
Antarctic Circle. So first
Circle.
North Pole, South.
Circle.
Okay, what's the degree of North Pole?
Ma'am, North Pole has 90 degree, ma'am.
90 degree
90 degree north.
North. South Pole 90 degree
North
south.
and 90 degree south.
Okay.
South pole is 90 degree.
Okay, then 0 degree equator.
Equator.
Okay, above the equator, Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of
What about
Cancer
Ma'am,
lies in the
123 half degree?
lies in the
20
northern hemisphere.
Northern
Tropic
hemisphere.
of
3.5.
Northern.
Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. It lies in the
Frigid
northern
zone.
hemisphere. And Tropic of
Capricorn.
Capricorn. Okay, Tropic of Capricorn lies in the
Same, ma'am. 23.5.
southern hemisphere.
Horizon.
23.5 degree
23.5 degree south.
degree south. Okay. Then Arctic Circle.
Arctic Circle.
And Antarctic
Arctic
Ma'am,
Circle.
Arctic Circle lies 66.5 degree.
north. Why? Because it
North.
lies in the northern hemisphere.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Antarctic Circle.
Circle.
That
Ma'am,
is
66.5 to the south.
Yes, 66.5 degree
5
south.
degree Antarctic Circle.
Antarctic Circle. So
Ma'am,
these
it
are
is
the
66, right?
these are
Ma'am, it is
the
6.
major or important latitudes.
Ma'am, what about torrid zone?
And my frigid zone.
About that you will discuss in the next class, okay? Or you will learn
Okay,
about
ma'am.
these in the next class.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
Ma'am,
these
can
are
you show the
the
slide of equator?
important latitudes. These are the important latitudes. So latitudes are horizontal lines. They are also known as
Lines. Parallels.
parallels. Very good. Parallels. They are also known as parallels.
Parallel lines.
They do not meet each other. They
Ma'am, each other.
They do not meet
Because
each
because
other.
it is parallel.
Yes.
Parallel
Because they
means
are
does not meet.
parallel lines. There are 180 latitudes.
80 latitudes.
There are 180 latitudes.
Latitudes.
Okay, latitudes.
Latitude is an imaginary line.
Yeah, latitudes are imaginary lines. Latitudes are imaginary lines.
Line.
Okay, dear children.
Horizontal. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Badra Sunil. Okay, please tell me about latitudes.
Yes,
Ma'am,
latitudes
Can I
are
tell
also known as parallel,
Hmm.
running in an east-west direction.
Hmm.
It measures distance north or south from the equator,
Okay.
are parallel to one another and never meet.
Hmm.
Get shorter towards the poles with only the equator, the
Okay.
longest.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
A great circle.
Okay. Then Aromal Shaji, which is the longest line of latitude? Aromal Shaji, which is the longest? Yes, equator. Okay. What's the degree of equator? Devananda? Tell me.
0 degree.
0 degree. Okay, 0 degree. Then latitudes are also known as
Parallels.
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 Dear children, read the textbook and underline these points, okay? So what we had discussed today, that you have to read in your textbook and underline those points. Okay, children?
Ma'am.
Okay? We will meet you in the next class. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
then
can you share
enjoy
the
your
screen one
weekend.
thing? Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye-bye.